How to duplicate an event on Eventbrite. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to duplicate an event on Eventbrite. So then to begin with, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, go ahead and open up a browser on the web address bar, go ahead and type in eventbrite.com and log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, it's going to directly take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So while you're on the home page, you could go to the event section from the bottom of the screen. And when you go to the event section or the event page, here you'll be able to locate the event that you recently created. Or so here you could go ahead and press the event button, and then you can go to copy event button. When you do that, it's going to take you to the other field where you can go ahead and copy the event by tapping on the option just like the one that is copy event. As you've done that, it's going to take you to the other field one more time, and accordingly you can go ahead and copy your event. So that's basically how you can copy your event or duplicate your event on Eventbrite. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.